Okay, number 10, 3 star plus x equals star plus 6. So we can go ahead and take a star off of each side. Then we can take a 0 pair off of each side, and we're left with star is equal to 6, which means x is equal to negative 6. Left side, 6 plus 6 plus 6 minus 6. 6 times 3 is 18, minus 6 is 12. And then right side, 6 plus 6 equals 12. Number 11, 2x plus 4 equals 2 star. I need these two x's off, so I'm going to go ahead and add 2 stars to each side. And now I can take a 0 pair off the left side, and I'm left with 4 equals 4 star. So star is equal to 1, x is equal to negative 1. Left side, 4 minus 1 minus 1, so 4 minus 2 is 2. Right side, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Number 12, star plus 2 star plus 8 equals x. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 x's to each side. And then I can go ahead and take my 3 0 pairs off my left side, and I'm left with 8 is equal to 4x. So x is equal to 2, star is equal to negative 2. Plugging back in, left side, 8 minus 2 minus 2. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. Right side is 2. Number 13, 2 star plus x plus 1 equals 3x plus 5. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 1 from each side, which leaves me with 5 minus 1 equals 4. I can take an x off of each side. I'm left with 2 stars. I can go ahead and add 2 x's to each side. And then I can take my 0 pairs off of my left side. Now I'm left with 4x. I just solved this whole problem the wrong way. Did you notice that? Janet looks confused. You're right. I don't know what I just did. Let's read. Okay. Well, is it number 13?
No.
Oh. Okay, we'll see if you can figure that out while I read you this. Sorry. See, teachers make mistakes too. Okay, let's start by subtracting. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I need to get these 3 x's off, right? So I can start by taking off an x from each side. Now I'm left with 2 stars equals 2x plus 4. So I'm going to add 2 stars to each side now. And now I can take my 0 pairs off of my right side. So now I'm left with 4 star equals 4. So star is equal to 1. X equals negative 1. And then plugging back in, left side, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, minus 1, plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, plus 1 is 2. Right side, 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 equals 2. Number 14, x plus 10 equals 3 star plus 2. Let's subtract 2 from each side, so we're left with an 8. I want to get this x off. I'm going to go ahead and add a star to each side. And now I'm going to take my 0 pair off the left. And I have 8 is equal to 4 star. So star is equal to 2. X equals negative 2. Going back on the left side, 10 minus 2 equals 8. On the right side, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 2 times 4, equals 8. Number 15, 3 star minus x. Since I don't have an x to subtract, I'm going to add a 0 pair on, and then I'm going to go ahead and take that x off immediately. And then I'm going to rewrite the problem over here with what's left so I don't get confused. So by doing that, I'm left with 4 star equals 12. And this is my setup. So there is no legal move from here. 4 star equals 12, so star is equal to 3. X would equal negative 3. Checking on the left side, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or 3 times 4 equals 12. And we already have a 12 on the right side. Okay, we're going to erase this real quick. So we're on number 16. Okay. Number 16. So another problem, we have a star minus 2x. So I don't have two x's, so I'm going to add on 2 0 pairs so that I can subtract my x's. So I'm going to rewrite this over here, what I have left, which would be 3 stars, and then I need to add on my 9, and then equals x plus 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve. So I'm going to subtract 1 from each side. This will leave me with 8. I can go ahead and add 3 x's to each side. And now I can take my 0 pairs off the left side. Now I'm left with 8 is equal to 4x. So x is equal to 2, star is equal to negative 2. Plugging in on my left side, I'm doing 9 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. On your right side, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Number 17, 3x plus 2 negative x. So that means I'm just going to add 2 stars. Plus 4 equals 2 negative x, so that's 2 stars, plus 10. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4 from each side. This will leave me with a 6 on my right side. I can take 2 stars off of each side, and now I'm left with 3x equals 6. So x is equal to 2, negative x is equal to negative 2. Left side, 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 4. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 2 is 4, minus 2 is 2, plus 4 is 6. On our right side, 10 minus 2 minus 2 equals 6. Number 18, 3x minus negative x, and I don't have a star to subtract, so I'm going to add a 0 up here to take that off, and I'm going to rewrite it over here. So I'm left with 4x's plus 4 equals 2 star plus 10. So now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 4 from each side. 10 minus 4 equals 6. Now I can go ahead and add 2 x's to each side. By adding 2 x's to each side, I can take my 2 0 pairs off my right side, and I'm left with 6x equals 6. So x is equal to 1, negative x equals negative 1. Left side, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. On our right side, 10 minus 1 minus 1 equals 8. And our last problem. So we have 2 times star plus 3 plus 5x equals x plus 20. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 6 from each side. 20 minus 6 equals 14. I can take 2 0 pairs off the left side. Then I can go ahead and take an x off of each side. So I'm left with 2x equals 14. X equals 7. Negative x equals negative 7. Or stop. Okay, so let's do the left side. Let's start with our x's. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Or 7 times 5, which is 35, plus 6 would be 41. So we're doing 41 minus 7 minus 7, or 41, okay, let's do this. 41 minus 7 would be 34. 34 minus 7 would be 27. Yes? I think so. Okay, I have this in my head. Okay, and then right side, oh yay, look at us. 7 plus 20 equals 27. Check.